Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech Active Directory video for Northeast State Community College.
In this video, we're going to look at some additional items in the Group Policy Management Editor. I'm going to go in and look at some things in the Start menu and Task bar. This will give us the ability to customize or control it somewhat. It would take decades or years to go over every possible setting. So I'm just going to look at a few things. Some of those are things that will prevent users, for example, from customizing their start screen. And I wanted to look at that because here the interface is a little more complex than what we saw before. So I can enable this one. I could have possibly some options on it. Here I get a much more detailed help. I had help available before, but here it tells me this policy allows you to prevent users from changing their start screen layout. I might want to set that. And I could go in and put some comments if I wanted. So I'm going to enable that. On these not configured means whatever the default is. Here's one I've seen quite a bit. It is the remove and prevent access to shutdown, restart, sleep, and hibernate commands. It prevents users from performing following commands from the start menu. Keeps them from being able to do a shutdown, a restart, those things from the start menu. And so if I enable that for the users in this organizational unit, once I apply it, they would not be able to do any of those things. So I can go in and look through and make a lot of changes. If I don't want them to have the run command to get to a command prompt, I can click and enable that, and the run command would disappear and they would not be able to run from a command prompt. There's a number of them here, but I wanted to show you just a few. And if you go through these different categories and look, you may find some things that for your organization would make sense to set.
Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video for Northeast State Community College. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos.